In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Dart key fob. This key fob has been used, it was used between 2013 and 2016, and inside we'll find just one of these CR2032 batteries. You can do this whole process yourself at home. You don't need to pay anyone. It's really easy. Get yourself one of these batteries. You can find them online, and I will put a link down in the description to get one on to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then just go ahead and follow along. If you want to take something like a flathead screwdriver, we're going to come down here where the keychain is, the key ring, and you're going to see this little indentation here, and then the seam between the two halves of the key fob. We want to gently go into that kind of the corner there between this little indentation and along that seam, and just gently press and wiggle. The thinner the flathead screwdriver, the better, or the smaller. And then once you're in there and it kind of sticks in there, all that's left to do is just give a little twist. Just by turning like a key, we can kind of crack this thing open. And then what I like to do is go down the side, twisting, until it comes apart, just like that. Now, carefully remove this rubber component with all the buttons on it, and under there we will find the circuit board. Set that to the side. Here is our battery. You could just lift under with your finger and just pull it up. Same thing if you want to use your tool, just gently get under it and lift, and it will kind of pop out. There's our CR2032 battery. Go ahead and take a new one. Make sure this positive side goes face down, and then we're just going to click it into place. First pushing it up into this metal component, kind of getting that in place, and then the other side will just click right in. Really simple. Now we're just gonna put this all back together. Align this on top until it sits snugly. Put the face of the key fob back on, and just click it back together. And that is it. We are all set. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.